What's flying, you guys? Alright, so today's going to be kind of a two-parter episode, if you will. Mainly came out today. One, I want to test out my new little whoop here. So I do have the new Blade Industrous BL, the brushless version of it. It's a pretty cool little thing. I've got to whoop it around the house a little bit, but I want to take it outside and really try it. Today, it's really windy today. Right this exact second, it's really calm, but it's about 15 miles an hour today. We're going to test this thing out, see how well it handles. I am going to be using pretty cheap little radio. It's just a Spectrum DXE. This, my current radio doesn't bind and fly, so I don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a new radio that I'm barely going to use. Really, I'm just going to use them for my, bind and flies, my whoops, if I get more, things like that. But it's nothing technical. It does the job. It has sticks that fly, it arms it, and switches modes. So, we're going to make this an endurance test. Let's see how strong of a wind this thing can really handle. And I mean comfortably handle. These things can obviously handle really strong winds, but, I mean, half the time it's not fun because it's really hard to control. But, let's see. Okay, now time for the second portion of it all. So, as you see, it is super windy. Well, that means that we're probably not going to be able to fly too much. Yeah, so we're going to walk around and we're going to do some cleaning. Yeah, we're going to do some PITO project here. Walk up, first and foremost, I just see a big old giant bag to start with. What is this about? Alright, so we're going to walk around. We're going to kind of pick up some trash. I might actually not throw that away. I might actually take it and use it as a trash can as I walk around. Ooh, you can probably hear that wind. Sorry, I need to get a cover for the mic. But yes, so let's do some trash, do some flying, and let's have a good day. Alright, so we're back in the car. We had a great time. I was able to get one battery from the whoop done. My recommendations, 10 miles is a little bit much for these things. It was fighting hard. I wasn't having fun flying it. I had fun, don't get me wrong. I have fun no matter what I fly or how I'm flying it, but this isn't a fun flight. This is a challenge flight. But it handled it. I was able to fly it. It didn't break, so that's cool. But yeah, maybe 5 miles an hour is about the max you want to go with one of these things. We know indoors they fly great, but yeah, if you want to go outdoor, just keep it calm with the winds.